All right, today we're gonna tackle the front motor mount. So I got Colm with me. We're gonna jack up the car real quick and then we'll get started on it. But first, I got a mod that I've been anticipating on. All right, you gotta find a good spot for her. All right, now she could go right there. That's pretty good. Or she could go there, but then that's covering up my gauges, kinda. Yeah, you know what? Yeah. So we're gonna put her right there. You can see where the motor mount is. So first things first, we're gonna grab some Torx sockets and take this carpet off, and then we can get to working back there. All right, so right now I'm just taking these bolts off to this bracket. And afterwards, there's 2 bolts up here. I think there's a bolt back there. This bracket part should come off. And then after that, we take this lower part off. And then this is the motor mount itself. And there's a bolt here and a bolt there. I'll get that back bolt off. Hopefully. Mount, well, we're getting the engine mount off, but we got everything off, so now the engine's free. So she kind of rocks back and forth. Oh my gosh, come on, there we go. And so right now I'm just gonna take this bolt off, and then I'm going to grab some gloves and just push the motor back, and then Colm will take that out. All right, so we back got this last bolt off. All right, and now we just, boom, there's the old one. Now we're gonna put this brace back on, and then this bolt back here, and then it's just the bracket, and we're done. Just getting this bracket back on, it's kind of a pain in the booty hole.
That top, I'm slid off.
There we go. And so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. We just grabbed from our little bolt jar. Oh my gosh.
There's a socket stuck to it.
And I'll just put these down. What the hell?
Hi, I'm Jay. Aren't those like your new neighbors?
I don't know. We're tightening one of the last bolts. We just have this one back here that's on that stud to do. But once we do that, then all we have to do is kind of put that carpet thing back on.
That over there.
Put that on, and then she'll be good for a rip. It is the day after. The rear motor mount, essentially what it does is it kind of stiffens up the front end a little, so there's less wheel hop and torque steer. And as well as the lowering springs that I put on, that's the next video that's gonna come out. It helps a lot with that. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.